I'm going to be showing you how to fix lag in Roblox mobile. So it's really easy, so let's get right into it. So this is mainly focused on Blox fruits especially. So if Blox fruits is lagging on your phone, it's usually one of these. So you just need to remember that it's probably your phone overheating, bad internet, graphics too high, or not enough RAM. So let's fix it step by step. What you need to do is lower Roblox graphics to a minimum. So you just need to open Roblox and just join Blox fruit. Just find it right here, right there, and just open it and tap on play. And once you're there, you just need to look at the top left where you can see this Roblox sign. Just tap here. Now you have all of these options. You just need to find the graphics mode. Just go to settings and find graphics mode. As you can see, it's right there. So it's in automatic, but you can just change it manually and make sure it's to the minimum like this. So this will really help with the lag. This alone fixes lag for most players. You also need to use Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. Move closer to your router or restart your router. Avoid playing during peak hours. And if players are teleporting or freezing, it's internet lag. You also need to make sure you close background apps. Just swipe up and close all the other apps and restart your phone before playing. This frees RAM. If your phone feels hot, just take off the phone case, lower brightness, and don't play while charging. And this will help you fix lag in Roblox, especially in Blox fruits. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.